hits come faster on the Sonny Hopson Show. In the word, baby, ain't driving, I ain't stepping up, showing up. And Emmeline said, look in the one ads if you want a little bit of love now. This is James Brown on the Mighty Bunny Show. The Sonny Hopson, make no mistake of Jake. Browns in town. Look out. Let a man come in. I gotta have to lay right out. All right.
WAKT.
Wait, this number?
1098-765.
Show. Johnny Taylor said, that was the president, huh?
WAKT.
Wait, this number?
1098-766.
Call the boys. I'm sorry to do a job this afternoon. And everything I do gonna be funky. Very sick. Good God. Call the boys in the background of Monster Sound. David's a funny label on the Brandon's tables. Mr. Kirk. Let them work, Mr. Bruce. Even if the juice not cut them loose. Gang Water Phillies are back in town. Congratulations, Grant Jackson.
Sonny Hopson. WAKT.
Wait, this number?
1098-777.
Ronnie says, "Access when I got to get it. Caught me with it. Hit the road. Don't you know? Who can smell it? Turn it loose."
Name of this thing is hook and slang. You got it. Hook it, baby. Now slang it. Look. Hook it, baby. Did I do it right now? Let me have it one more time.
Papa Stop us to diddy damn man, you understand? I got to give you the chance to dance a hole in your soul, baby. I clap, baby, I clap. For $1, you can holler loud with the proud crowd. Do the popcorn, boogaloo twist if you want to. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Arcadia Ballroom, Broad and Airy. Yeah, we got a cooking band, Herb Ward. Hey, you got me, Soul Sound Sunny, a host of stars shining through every Sunday night. Arcadia Ballroom is out of sight. Arcadia Ballroom, Arcadia Ballroom.
Mayor Tate meeting with representatives from 6 area hospitals which are threatening emergency room shutdowns on August 1st. The hospital says they cannot operate all of their facilities due to the recent state, federal, and local welfare cutbacks effective July 1st. The hospitals have protested the cutbacks and are asking for a reallocation of funds. Lake cloudy with showers and thunder showers tonight. Showers expected to continue. Tomorrow, considerable cloudiness with a possibility of rain again. Presently, it's 75. This is Merrill Reese, WHAT News.
Sonny Hopson.
WAKT.
Wait, this number?
1098-76.
Rounds in town holler singing one time. Sides called Mother, Mother, Mother Popcorn. Say that your own mouth, son.
Some like a bat, some like a guitar, some like a song. Skinny legs and all. Can you do the popcorn?
Hi, this is Wilson Pickett and make Wilson Pickett and make on WHAT 1340 on your radio dial. And Rob's in the background.
You made me want
Down with you, baby. Little Doggett in the background. Honky tonk popcorn. Hey, the big sale is on at Alabama's for tremendous values in men's clothing and furnishings, baby. Take yourself on out there, okay? Yeah, the one and only Alabama's men's store, 54th Street, right below City Line. Right now, you find savings up to 50%, okay? It's on famous and fabulous brand menswear, baby. That's right. Savings 20 to 50% off. Now at Alabama's, baby. This great sale includes famous names: Ziggo, Ambassador, Suex, Damon, Ole Cassini, many others. The greatest names and suits, slacks and shirts and neckwear, baby. 7 pieces. You can pick up 12 there, baby. And the prices are right. That's right. When you see the price tags, you might all down till you reach your back could crack. Your hip pocket jumped it out of socket. Toes are closed. Store. Avenue, baby. We got floor shines up there now. Valley, Winthrop. They got everything. Sale extends all the Alabama's boys wears. All from boys wears. All from the ladies department. In case you got a man with a credit card, take him up there and can fast, baby. Alabama's. Open day Wednesday and Friday till 9. Tuesday. Thursday and Saturday evening till 6 at Alabama's. 54th Street, right below the city line. You ain't gonna get nothing free, but you can try to see.
Ooh, you got it. A lousy, rotten, two-timing headache.
What they be saying, huh?
Give me a quarter, give me a dime. Come on, don't let the gimmies get you down. Kool-Aid cures, the gimmies cheap, and Kool-Aid cures them fast. You get 2 quarts of sweet Kool-Aid out of 1 Kool-Aid pack. Hey, little mama, don't let the gimmies get you down. Kool-Aid cures, the gimmies cheap. Don't let the gimmies get you.
Kool-Aid soft drink mix cures the gimmies.
Calling Chester, this Friday and Saturday night, let's all vibrate with the fabulous Vibrations. Yes, the Vibrations, this Friday night, 2 shows each night, 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. Start us in Chester, big dance floor, air-conditioned comfort, the best soul-free parking. Fellas, grab your maze and join me, Fillmore, this Friday and Saturday night, 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. 2 big shows each night. Start us in Cottonchester Highway, Flower Street, Chester, PA. The Vibrations, the fabulous Vibrations. Make sure you are ahead of the pack so you can get a seat. The Vibrations, start us in Chester this Friday and Saturday night. Come on and wiggle your toes through them doors. Commission urged. U.S. Senator Hugh Scott in Washington today urged the adoption of the Commission on Afro-American History and Culture. He said the organization would, in his words, foster better understanding. The Broad Street subway is still temporarily out of service. 13 buses have been added, augmenting the route between Erie and Girard. Evacuated families returned to their homes in the 3400 block of D Street. At 76 degrees, I'm Merrill Reese in Philadelphia.
It is nighttime now in Bangkok, Thailand. Earlier today, upon his arrival there, President Nixon told his audience,
"We have been together in the past. We are together at the present. And the United States will stand proudly with Thailand against those who might threaten it from abroad or from within."
The President then discussed the CETO agreement.
Now, a treaty can have many meanings. It can be just a scrap of paper with no meaning at all. As Thailand and the United States is concerned, a treaty means far more.
WHAT.
Hey, this number.
10987.
Don't forget on Sunday, baby, Mark Hyman tells it like it is every Sunday. Recorded from 4 until 5 p.m. This Sunday will be Marcus Gravy Jr., son of Marcus Gravy, the original black to Africa. Back to you know. And obstruct Hassan, president of African American. I pronounce it clear, baby. Concerning anyway. Thomas Harvard Universal Nickel Improvement Association. So don't forget Sunday, baby. August 31st, Mark Hyman's like it is from 4 to 5. The Black to African movement that I'm talking about here.